To reset the Redmi 15 by using recovery mode, you can for sure do this. First of all, just turn off your phone. And right now, what we have to do is just to use two buttons combination. We have to click and hold the power key and the volume up button. So it works like that. Power key, volume up button, and now just keep holding until the screen turns off. And now release power key and only keep holding volume up button until we successfully enter for recovery mode. It will take probably around 10 seconds, so just be patient. There we go. Now scroll to the wipe data with the volume down button, click on the power key, select wipe all data, click power key, scroll to the confirm, click power key. And now as you can see, the reset is on the way. We have to wait until it hits 100%, and then we can click power key to back to the menu, select reboot. Now go to the reboot to the system, and now the phone will turn on with the first setup screen and the process is finished. Thanks for watching.